So today we're making fungi, and we have 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of okra chopped, 2 pimento peppers, 1 green and 1 orange, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half of a medium onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic grated, 1 medium carrot. We have 1 celery chopped, 2 branches of thyme, 1 bandonier. We're going to be using 1/2 cup of butter. We use 1 coconut, but first we have to break it. We're going to wrap the coconut . This is what it looks like when it's removed from the shell, and now we have to chop it up into small pieces. So we finished cutting it up, and now we're going to rinse it off. We're going to put half of the coconut in this blender. Oops, it's about half. We're going to blend the coconut with 2 cups of water. So this is what it looks like when it's done. We're going to strain it. We're going to put the rest of the coconut inside and do the same thing. So we're going to add a cup of water to the 2 cups of cornmeal just so it won't lump up when cooking.
Yeah.
Just gonna add it.
Just mix it.
And stir it up. We're gonna add another 1/2 cup. In total, we added 1.5 cups. So this is what it looks like when it's all mixed up with the water. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil to the bottom of this pan. The oil is hot, we're gonna add some onions. Thyme here, bandonier, and celery. Pimento peppers. We're gonna add the carrots. We're gonna add the okra. Salt, black pepper, and chili powder. We're going to add the coconut milk now. So we're going to turn it on high and let it boil, and then we'll let it simmer for a little bit. So it started to boil, we lowered down the heat, and now we're going to add the cornmeal spoon by spoon. We're adding it little by little so it doesn't clump up. we're gonna dump the whole thing of butter, 1/2 cup. This is what it looks like when it's ready. We've been stirring it for like 10 minutes. Those white things are okra seeds. We're going to leave it there to set for a couple minutes so it can get a little bit harder.
Yeah.